Alright guys, welcome back, and in this video we're going to look at adding our business details. So from the main dashboard we're going to come down and we're going to go to settings. We're then going to go up to the top and it's already onto business info. So you can come in here and you can add your business logo. If you don't have a business logo at the moment, you could go into Canva and make a simple little design. Make sure your logo is actually sized at 350 by 180 and it's no bigger than 2.5 megabyte. If you do put a different size image in, it can distort it and it doesn't look great. So you can then put in a friendly business name that will be seen on your account here, up in the top corner. And then you'll have your legal business name. Make sure this is the exact business name that you're registered as. You can put in your business email address, your business phone number. We'll go more into your branded domains, your business website, business page, etc. later on. Your branded domain is used for things like your membership funnels, your communities, etc. What type of business type, industry, you can put all these in. Put your registration ID in if you've got it, whereabouts you're actually located. You come down here and you can actually upload the call and voicemail settings for the full account. Come up here and then you would put in your physical business address. Make sure it's all correct and set your time zone so it's correct. You need to set what country you're in. This does actually set up which currency that your sub account's got to be working in. You can jump backwards and forwards between locations. So even on my sub accounts, I'm set up as in the US, so it's in dollars because I mostly do work with people in the US, but I can switch it back to UK and it'll put things in pounds for me. Then you've got your outbound communication languages, then authorized representative, who's the main person point of contact. Put their position in there and the phone number for contacting them. You've got some general settings down at the bottom, whether you're actually allowing duplicate contacts to be created when people are coming through different multiple funnels. You don't want it making another set of contact details for that people. So I would always leave that off. You can merge your Facebook contacts across. You can disable the contact time zones, but I would leave that on. You can mark your heart emails, validate phone numbers. You can do this when you're first getting people set up to make sure people aren't giving you fake details. You can also do the same with email addresses. You can then come down here and more about the contact duplication preferences. And then I'm going to do a short video on this one. And I'm also going to upload a snapshot to the community about missed call text back, which is brilliant if somebody phones you. You can pick up a phone number inside here off Lead Connector or Twilio, which then you can divert to your main number. Then if somebody phones that number, you don't answer the phone, it will then automatically send a text message back to that person. This works really well in small businesses, say contractors or a restaurant. If they miss the call, instead of the person going to the next section of the phone book or wherever, they're going to get a message through saying, sorry, I missed your call. Would you like to book an appointment? Would you like to book a table? So you get that person before they've moved on to the next restaurant. You can actually book the table in and you're not losing business. So that's it for this one, guys, and I shall see you in the next video.